Chime provides a virtual debit or credit card in the app that you can use for in-store purchases without the physical card by adding it to a digital wallet. Steps to use it in stores. Open the Chime app and go to Profile, Cards. Locate your virtual card, swipe if needed, and tap Show Number to view the full card number, expiration date, and CVV. Add the virtual card to a supported digital wallet. Apple Pay. Open the wallet app, tap Plus, debit or credit card, enter details or scan, or add directly from Chime if prompted. Google Pay or Google Wallet. Open the app, add to wallet, payment card, enter details. Samsung Pay. Open the app, add card, follow prompts. At a store that accepts contactless payments, look for the contactless or mobile pay symbol, unlock your phone, select the Chime card in your wallet, and hold it near the terminal. Authenticate with Face ID, fingerprint, or PIN if required. The virtual card works for contactless tap-to-pay transactions. It cannot be used for ATM withdrawals, cash back at checkout, or over-the-counter cash advances. Those require the physical card.